What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, we're going to talk about a new project that came across my desk that seems pretty interesting, and I'm always looking for that beginning stage type of thing, something that has an established community, but also develops, a token or a coin, and is a big part of what they already had established. Does that make sense? Now, we are in the middle of, not only Christmas shopping, but also wrapping presents. So we got all this stuff everywhere. So don't mind the boxes and things. We're wrapping stuff. But when it comes to investments, right? They don't stop. They don't settle for anybody, right? So you have to find the right ones that are out there, whether they're in the beginning stages, whether they're middle stages, or even at the end of whatever stages they could be at. This looks like an honestly, a really, really good opportunity. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Now, if you guys want to check out any of the links for Best Wallet token down below, I will provide that, in the description, at the top of the description. But that's what we're talking about here today. Best Wallet token pre-sale, because the actual Best Wallet has 4.5 stars when you talk about on Google Play and the App Store. But the token itself gives you another opportunity to grab a community, an already established community, and bring it to, the token side of things, which is huge for investors, especially if you have any type of even slight belief in the project itself. So let's go to the website here. Here is Best Wallet token pre-sale. Get the best next gen wallet token of 2025. Now, again, you can see rated 4.5 stars. You have crypto news, Techopedia, and Coin Telegraph. The pre-sale is currently 1 day, 4 hours and 34 minutes and a few seconds away from an increase. Each best token is worth about 2.3 cents at the time of recording this video, and you're going to see a total USD that's raised of $5.1 million. So it definitely has a level of popularity to it that you can say, okay, this has a community that's already established, right? And it's gathering more and more people as time goes on. So you can buy with a card, you can buy with crypto, you can also connect your wallet. I know that always seems kind of weird when you're connecting your wallet for a wallet, but you can connect your Best Wallet for a wallet. So to be able to buy that token. So buy Best Wallet token now. Best Wallet token benefits. The Best Wallet boasts 50% month-on-month user growth and is on track to capture 40% of the 11 billion non-custodial wallet, $11 billion non-custodial wallet market by 2026. Buy best token above or directly in app to enjoy unrivaled holder benefits. Early access to new projects, you'll get reduced transaction fees, higher staking rewards, community governance. So, you can vote on key decisions within the Best Wallet ecosystem, which is always a great deal. They have their ecosystem and everything that you could do, right? You could buy, you could store, you could deposit, send, swap, sell. You can manage your portfolio as well. Stake, so you can get extra benefits and get higher APYs through Best Wallet. Spend and spend your crypto directly with the Best Card, supported by Google and Apple Pay. Get up to 8% cash back on every purchase and low to no fees when you hold and stake the Best Wallet token. Again, seems like a huge benefit, pre-sale aggregator, and then also the fact that it is secure, right? 60 chains that it supports. You're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, you have Solana, and so on and so forth, right? You have many chains that it does support there. Let's see, they have their Best Card. We just talked about that. The Best DEX. The Best DEX is a native decentralized exchange. of the best wallet ecosystem, allowing you to swap your crypto within Best Wallet and our desktop website. The Best DEX aggregates over 50 DEXs, meaning your swap will be paired with the best liquidity pool and cost efficient trade routes, ensuring you get the best exchange rate and lowest fees. Execute cross chains swaps over 50 different chains with the best DEX. So anyways, like there's a lot to go over here, but if you guys want to download it, right, you can go and download Best Wallet today. It looks really good, looks really clean. And you can check out their Twitter. You have any questions, you can check out their Twitter. It has about 23,000 followers. You got a business check mark as well. So they're definitely doing their thing. They're trying to, one, get not only involved in the larger market of wallets that are out there and the decentralized side of things, but not only that, but also join the coin side of things and have that popularity kind of funnel over to this side, which is great for an investor. If you are a new investor into the crypto world, many people are asking me about wallets to go to. And if you have more and more reviews, if you have more and more success stories, and you have a token that can lead to more success stories from just the token alone, most people are asking about what wallets, like what should I get? What should I use? And, I have multiple wallets, right? I don't only have a MetaMask wallet. I have a Trust wallet. I have a Terra Station wallet. I have a Ledger wallet. I have many different wallets, and it gives you the opportunity to see the benefits that those wallets offer you, because not all of them will offer the same thing. And Best Wallet seems to offer a ton, as well as seeing the best pre-sale token here. So if you guys want to go ahead and check it out for yourself, if you want to get involved in it, I will provide the links down below for Best Wallet at the top of the description, for the website, for the Twitter account, for everything that they have there. Even just looking at their LinkedIn, or not LinkedIn, their link tree, and get all that different information I'll provide. They even have a YouTube and Instagram, so definitely give them a look. I suggest you guys do your own research. When I see an opportunity, I try and pounce on that opportunity. I just talked about yesterday that I was, done buying cryptocurrency, and you saw what happened yesterday where everything fell down. And it's like, how can I be done buying cryptocurrency when it falls to, that far? So, and then when you have opportunities like this, it's like you have to, pounce on those opportunities. Now, for any of my longer term positions that I do have there, like XRP and all that, this may turn into that, right? Because of all the things that they're doing here. So it may be invest a little bit, depending on everything that you do see as time goes on, as the pre-sale launches, as things go live. So anyways, I want you guys to check it out for yourself. Give it a look. Links down there in the description. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.